Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to protect a PDF from editing using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is an essential skill when you need to share sensitive documents while ensuring that no one can alter the original content without your permission. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once the application launches, you'll be prompted to log in with your credentials. Make sure you enter the correct email and password associated with your Adobe account to access all the features of Acrobat Pro DC. After logging in, you'll see your workspace with various options displayed. Navigate to Recent Files, where you'll find a list of PDFs you've worked on recently. From this list, select the file you want to protect from editing. If your document isn't showing up in Recent Files, you can always browse for it manually by clicking on Open and locating it on your computer. Once your PDF is open, look to the upper left corner of your screen and click on Menu. This will reveal a drop-down with several options for managing your document. From this menu, select Protection. You'll notice that clicking Protection opens up additional security-related features. From these options, click on Security Properties. This is where you'll configure all the protection settings for your PDF. A dialog box will now appear showing the current security settings for your document. Navigate to the section labeled Security Method. You'll see a drop-down menu beside it. Click on this drop-down menu and select Password Security from the available options. This is the key feature that will allow you to restrict editing and control who can make changes to your PDF. Now you'll see several checkboxes and options related to document permissions. Navigate down to the option that says Restrict Editing and Printing. You'll want to check the box beside it to activate this restriction. This setting is crucial because it prevents anyone from modifying your document without the proper authorization. Next, you'll need to set up the actual password protection. In the Change Permissions password field, type your preferred password. Make sure you choose a strong password that you'll remember, as you'll need this password whenever you want to modify the document's security settings in the future. Be mindful that if you forget this password, recovering access can be extremely difficult. After entering your password, click OK to confirm all your security settings. At this point, Adobe may ask you to re-enter the password to verify it. Once confirmed, your document will now be protected with the restrictions you've set. Finally, to ensure all your changes are saved, look to the upper right corner of your screen and click the Save button. This will finalize all the protection settings you've just configured. Your PDF is now secured against editing, and anyone who tries to modify it will need the password you created. And there you have it. You've successfully protected your PDF from unauthorized editing using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.